how to turn on or turn off Dolby Atmos sound quality and effects on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. From the home screen, swipe down at the top, then tap on the settings icon. Next, in the settings page, we then scroll down, and in here, tap on sounds and vibration. After that, we go down and tap on sound quality and effects. Now in here, tap on Dolby Atmos, tap on the toggle button to switch it on or switch it off. Now it said here, experience breakthrough audio for media playback that flows above and around you. So that is for Dolby Atmos if you want to experience that higher quality audio. And then after that, you can tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.